In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present with notes in Canva. Start by opening your project in Canva so your slides are ready on screen. Once your design is open, look to the top right corner. You'll see the Present button, and right beside it, there's a small arrow that reveals more options. Click that arrow to open the presentation menu. From the list that appears, choose Presenter View. Then, simply hit Present. That's all there is to it. Right away, Canva will create two separate tabs in your browser. One tab is the clean presentation your audience will see, and the other is your private presenter view. The presenter view is designed to keep you in control and confident. It shows your current slide, a preview of what's coming next, and the notes you've added to each slide. You'll also see simple controls to move forward and back, so you can keep your delivery smooth without scrambling. If you've written speaker notes in your slides, they'll appear automatically in the Notes panel here. If you haven't added notes, this section will just be blank, and you can still present normally. The key benefit is that your notes stay visible only to you, while your audience sees the clean, full slide version in the other tab. Before you go live, take a quick moment to confirm which tab is which. The audience-facing tab looks like your regular slides, edge to edge. The presenter view clearly shows the notes area and navigation controls. As you begin, keep your focus on the presenter view. When you click to advance, the audience tab updates instantly, so no one sees your notes or the next slide preview, only the polished presentation. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your browser isn't blocking new tabs, since presenter view opens in a separate one. If you don't see the new tabs, check your pop-up settings and try again. It's also helpful to do a short test run, just to get comfortable with the layout and confirm that your notes look the way you expect. And that's it. Open your project, use the arrow next to Present, choose Presenter View, and click Present. You'll have a dedicated tab for your audience and a private tab with your slides, upcoming preview, and notes, so you can deliver confidently and stay on message from start to finish.